The initial encounter. In the far reaches of the Andromeda Galaxy, a bustling metropolis floated amidst the stars. The city, known as Dinotropolis, was a melting pot of species from every corner of the universe. Amidst the chaos and vibrancy of this interstellar hub, a group of scientists from various planets had gathered for a groundbreaking symposium on xenobiology. The topic for this year's conference was one that had intrigued many: the unique biology of humans from the distant planet Earth. Dr. Kvil, a renowned biologist from the aquatic planet Thalassa, stood before the audience, her blue-green scales shimmering under the artificial lights. "Esteemed colleagues," she began, her voice resonating through the hall, "we are here to explore the peculiarities of human biology, a subject that has baffled scientists for centuries. Today, we will delve into what can only be described as the mysteries of human physiology." The audience, composed of beings with varying shapes, sizes, and colors, leaned forward in anticipation. Among them was Dr. Zephyr, a reptilian scientist from the desert planet Gorgoth, who had dedicated her life to studying the resilience of living organisms. Beside her sat Dr. Vukor, a cybernetic entity from the machine world of Mecha 9, whose interest in humans stemmed from their seemingly anomalous survival instincts. As the symposium commenced, the focus shifted to a series of case studies that illustrated the bizarre nature of human biology. The first presentation was delivered by Dr. Lyric, an avian researcher from the planet Aviara. "Ladies and gentlemen," Dr. Lyric began, his feathers ruffling in excitement, "allow me to introduce you to Corporal John Mason, a soldier in the human military. During a mission on the hostile planet of Mortis 4, Corporal Mason sustained injuries that would have been fatal to any other known species. Yet, against all odds, he survived." A holographic image of Corporal Mason appeared, displaying the extent of his injuries. Gashes, burns, and broken bones marred his body, yet there he stood, a grim determination etched on his face. "Humans possess an extraordinary ability to endure pain and recover from severe trauma," Dr. Lyric continued. "Their bodies can heal at an accelerated rate, and their pain threshold is remarkably high. This resilience is coupled with an indomitable will to survive, which often leads them to achieve the impossible." The audience murmured in astonishment as Dr. Lyric detailed the various medical procedures that had been attempted to save Corporal Mason. Despite the dire circumstances, the soldier's condition had steadily improved, baffling the attending physicians. Next, Dr. Kvol took the stage again, her expression serious. "While their physical resilience is impressive, humans also exhibit an unusual adaptability to extreme environments. Let us consider the case of Dr. Emily Carter, an explorer who ventured into the ice caves of the planet Glacier. A new hologram displayed Dr. Carter, her breath visible in the frigid air as she navigated the treacherous terrain. Despite temperatures that would freeze most species solid, Dr. Carter not only survived, but thrived in this environment. Her body adjusted to the cold in ways we still do not fully understand." Dr. Kvol paused, allowing the implications to sink in. Human biology seems to possess a latent adaptability that enables them to withstand conditions that would be lethal to others. This adaptability extends to their immune systems, which can fend off a wide range of pathogens. As the symposium progressed, more examples were presented, each one more astonishing than the last. The audience learned about Captain Sarah Mitchell, who had survived exposure to the toxic atmosphere of the planet Venomix, and engineer Mark Thompson, who had navigated the crushing depths of the oceanic world of Abyssus. The final speaker of the day was Dr. Zephyr, who had conducted an extensive study on the psychological aspects of human resilience. "It is not just their physical bodies that are remarkable," she explained. "Humans possess a psychological fortitude that allows them to endure unimaginable stress and trauma. Their capacity for hope, determination, and perseverance is unparalleled." Dr. Zephyr's presentation concluded with a quote from a human philosopher: "The human spirit is stronger than anything that can happen to it." The words resonated deeply with the audience, highlighting the essence of what made humans so extraordinary. As the symposium drew to a close, the scientists left with a newfound respect for the resilience and adaptability of the human species. The mysteries of human biology were far from being fully understood, but one thing was clear: humans were a force to be reckoned with. Unbeknownst to the attendees, this symposium was only the beginning. The deeper they delved into the enigmas of human biology, the more questions arose. What exactly was it about humans that allowed them to survive against all odds? And what secrets lay hidden within their genetic code? As the stars shone brightly over Xenotropolis, the quest to unravel the mysteries of human biology had only just begun. The genetic enigma. The symposium had ignited a fervent curiosity among the scientific community. Researchers from all corners of the galaxy returned to their labs, eager to uncover the secrets of human biology. Among them was Dr. Vukor, whose fascination with human survival instincts led him to spearhead a collaborative research project with Dr. Kthol and Dr. Zefra. Their first step was to obtain human DNA samples, a task that proved easier than anticipated. Humans, always eager to explore and exchange knowledge, had established numerous research outposts across the galaxy. One such outpost, located on the neutral planet of Novus, offered a wealth of biological samples and data for study. Dr. Vukor, with his cybernetic enhancements, analyzed the DNA sequences with precision and speed. What he discovered left him both perplexed and intrigued. Human DNA contained an unprecedented level of genetic diversity, far greater than that of any other known species. This diversity, he theorized, was a key factor in their adaptability and resilience. Dr. Kthol, Dr. Zefra, Vukor began, his mechanical voice steady. The genetic variability in humans is extraordinary. It allows for a wide range of phenotypic expressions and adaptive traits. This could explain their ability to thrive in diverse and extreme environments. Dr. Kthol examined the data, her eyes widening in amazement. Indeed, Vukor, this genetic plasticity is unlike anything we've seen before. It appears that humans have evolved to be generalists, capable of surviving under a myriad of conditions. Dr. Zefra, ever the skeptic, posed a crucial question. But how did this level of genetic diversity come about? And why do humans possess such a high degree of adaptability? To answer these questions, the team delved into the evolutionary history of humans. They discovered that Earth's environment had been incredibly volatile, with drastic changes in climate, geology, and biodiversity over millions of years. These environmental pressures had driven the evolution of a species that could adapt quickly to changing conditions. Human evolution was shaped by a dynamic and often hostile environment, Dr. Kthol explained. Natural selection favored those who could endure and thrive despite these challenges. This likely led to the development of their remarkable resilience. As their research progressed, the team uncovered another fascinating aspect of human biology: epigenetics. Human genes were not only influenced by their DNA sequences, but also by environmental factors that could activate or deactivate certain genes. This epigenetic flexibility allowed humans to respond rapidly to new threats and opportunities. Epigenetics provides a mechanism for humans to adapt within a single generation, Dr. Zefra noted. It enhances their ability to survive sudden changes in their environment, further contributing to their extraordinary adaptability. The deeper they delved, the more they realized that human biology was a complex interplay of genetics, environment, and psychology. It was this intricate web of factors that enabled humans to achieve feats that seemed impossible to other species. One particularly striking example was the phenomenon of human endurance. Unlike most species, humans possessed a unique combination of aerobic capacity and muscle endurance, allowing them to engage in prolonged physical activity. This trait had given rise to their legendary stamina and persistence, qualities that had been crucial in their evolutionary history. To further explore this, the team conducted a comparative study of human and alien athletes. They invited a group of elite human athletes to participate in a series of endurance tests alongside their alien counterparts. The results were astounding. Human athletes consistently outperformed other species in long-distance running, swimming, and even low-gravity endurance events. Humans have a unique blend of physical and mental endurance, Dr. Vicor observed. Their ability to push through pain and fatigue is unmatched, driven by a combination of physiological factors and psychological determination. As the research continued, the team encountered yet another puzzling aspect of human biology: the immune system. Humans had an incredibly robust and adaptable immune response, capable of combating a wide array of pathogens. This resilience was evident in their ability to recover from illnesses that would be fatal to other species. Dr. Thull hypothesized that this robust immune system was a result of Earth's diverse ecosystem, which exposed humans to a multitude of pathogens. Over time, their immune systems had evolved to be highly adaptive, capable of responding to new threats with remarkable efficiency. Human immune cells exhibit a level of plasticity that is truly remarkable, she explained. They can rapidly adapt to recognize and neutralize novel pathogens, providing humans with a significant survival advantage. Despite the breakthroughs, many questions remained unanswered. What was the source of human psychological resilience? How did their brains process and respond to stress in ways that seemed almost superhuman? And most intriguingly, what role did culture and social structures play in their extraordinary adaptability? To answer these questions, Dr. Zephyr proposed a multidisciplinary approach. They would not only analyze the biological and genetic data, but also delve into the social and cultural aspects of human life. This holistic perspective, she believed, would provide deeper insights into the mysteries of human resilience. The team decided to visit Earth, the cradle of humanity, to observe humans in their natural habitat. They arranged to stay in various locations, from bustling cities to remote villages, to gain a comprehensive understanding of human society and culture. Their first stop was New York City, a sprawling metropolis that exemplified the complexity and diversity of human civilization. As they navigated the crowded streets, the researchers marveled at the sheer energy and dynamism of the city. They observed how humans interacted with each other, how they faced daily challenges, and how they celebrated their achievements. Dr. Thull was particularly fascinated by the human concept of community. Humans have a strong sense of social cohesion, she noted. They support each other in times of need, and this social network provides emotional and practical assistance. This interconnectedness likely plays a crucial role in their resilience. Dr. Zephyr, on the other hand, focused on the psychological aspects. She conducted interviews with various individuals, from firefighters to entrepreneurs, to understand their motivations and coping mechanisms. One recurring theme was the human ability to find meaning and purpose, even in the face of adversity. Humans have an extraordinary capacity for hope and optimism, Dr. Zephyr concluded. They are driven by a sense of purpose, whether it is protecting their families, achieving personal goals, or contributing to the greater good. This psychological resilience is a key factor in their ability to overcome challenges. From New York, the team traveled to the Himalayas, where they encountered a group of monks living in a remote monastery. Here, they observed a different aspect of human resilience: the power of meditation and mindfulness. The monks demonstrated incredible mental discipline and emotional control, attributes that had been honed through years of practice. These monks have trained their minds to remain calm and focused, even in the most difficult circumstances, Dr. Vicor observed. Their mental resilience is a testament to the potential of human psychology. Next, the researchers visited a rural village in Africa, where they witnessed the strength of human adaptability in the face of environmental challenges. The villagers had developed sustainable farming practices that allowed them to thrive in a harsh climate. They also had a deep connection to their land and traditions, which provided a sense of stability and continuity. Human adaptability is not just about individual resilience, Dr. Cole remarked. It is also about the ability to work together as a community, to innovate and find solutions that benefit everyone. Throughout their journey, the team collected vast amounts of data on human behavior, social structures, and cultural practices. They began to see a pattern. The extraordinary resilience of humans was a result of a complex interplay between their biology, psychology, and social environment. Upon returning to their labs, the researchers synthesized their findings. They concluded that human resilience could be attributed to several key factors: genetic diversity and plasticity. Humans possessed a high degree of genetic variability, which provided a broad range of adaptive traits. Their epigenetic flexibility allowed them to respond rapidly to environmental changes. Physical and mental endurance. Humans had evolved to have exceptional physical stamina and psychological fortitude. Their ability to endure pain and fatigue was unmatched, driven by both physiological and psychological factors. Robust immune system. Human immune cells exhibited remarkable adaptability, allowing them to combat a wide array of pathogens. This resilience was a result of exposure to diverse ecosystems and pathogens on Earth. Social cohesion and support networks. Human communities provided emotional and practical support, enhancing individual resilience. Social structures and cultural practices fostered a sense of belonging and purpose. Psychological resilience. Humans had a unique capacity for hope, optimism, and finding meaning in adversity. Their psychological resilience was bolstered by practices such as meditation and mindfulness. Adaptability and innovation. Humans were adept at innovating and finding solutions to environmental challenges. Their ability to work together as a community and adapt their practices ensured their survival in diverse conditions. With these insights, the researchers realized that human resilience was not a singular phenomenon, but a multifaceted one. It was the result of a complex interplay of genetic, physiological, psychological, and social factors that enable humans to thrive against all odds. Unveiling the cognitive mysteries. The next phase of their research aimed to explore the cognitive aspects of human biology, particularly the brain's role in their resilience and adaptability. The team sought the expertise of Dr. Ilara, a neurobiologist from the advanced civilization of Neuronus. Known for her groundbreaking work in understanding neuroplasticity, Dr. Ilara was eager to unravel the secrets of the human brain. Dr. Ilara joined the team on Earth, and they set up a research facility equipped with the latest neuroimaging technology. Their goal was to study the brains of humans who had demonstrated exceptional resilience, such as trauma survivors, elite athletes, and individuals who had overcome significant challenges. Their first subject was Maria, a firefighter who had survived a building collapse and rescued several people despite her injuries. As Maria underwent a brain scan, Dr. Ilara explained the process. "We're looking for patterns of neural activity that might explain her extraordinary resilience. Specifically, we're interested in the regions of the brain associated with stress response, emotional regulation, and cognitive flexibility." The brain scans revealed heightened activity in Maria's prefrontal cortex, the region responsible for decision-making and problem-solving. Additionally, her amygdala, which processes emotions, showed an unusual level of regulation, indicating a high degree of emotional control. Maria's brain exhibits remarkable neural plasticity, Dr. Ilara noted. Her ability to regulate her emotions and make quick decisions under stress is likely a key factor in her resilience. Next, they studied James, a former soldier who had lost a limb in combat but continued to excel in adaptive sports. James's brain scans revealed significant neural adaptations in the motor cortex, allowing him to compensate for his lost limb with enhanced control of his remaining muscles. James's brain has rewired itself to adapt to his new circumstances, Dr. Ilara explained. This neural plasticity is a testament to the brain's ability to reorganize and optimize its functions in response to physical changes. The team also examined Sarah, a cancer survivor who had endured grueling treatments and emerged stronger. Sarah's brain scans showed increased connectivity between the prefrontal cortex and the hippocampus, suggesting enhanced cognitive resilience and memory processing. Sarah's brain has developed a robust network that supports her cognitive and emotional resilience, Dr. Ilara observed. This connectivity likely helps her maintain a positive outlook and cope with stress. As they analyzed more subjects, a pattern emerged. Human resilience was deeply rooted in the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize itself. This neural plasticity, combined with cognitive flexibility and emotional regulation, allowed humans to navigate and overcome life's challenges. Intrigued by these findings, the team decided to investigate further by conducting experiments on stress response and cognitive resilience. They designed a series of virtual reality simulations that mimicked stressful scenarios, such as natural disasters and high-pressure decision-making situations. Volunteers from various backgrounds participated in the simulations, while the researchers monitored their neural activity and physiological responses. The results were consistent with their previous findings. Humans who demonstrated high resilience exhibited enhanced neural plasticity, efficient emotional regulation, and robust cognitive networks. Dr. Zephyr summarized their findings. The human brain's ability to adapt and reorganize itself is a key factor in their resilience. This neural plasticity, combined with a strong sense of purpose and social support, enables humans to endure and thrive in the face of adversity. Their research also highlighted the importance of early life experiences and learning in shaping neural resilience. Individuals who had faced challenges and developed coping mechanisms from a young age exhibited greater neural adaptability and psychological resilience. As their understanding of human cognition deepened, the researchers realized that the brain's plasticity was not just a result of genetic factors, but also influenced by environmental and social factors. Education, culture, and social interactions played a crucial role in shaping neural networks and cognitive resilience. Armed with these insights, the team published their groundbreaking research, which sparked a wave of interest and admiration for the extraordinary resilience of humans. Scientists across the galaxy marveled at the intricate interplay between genetics, biology, psychology, and social factors that made humans such a formidable species. However, the more they uncovered, the more questions arose. What were the limits of human resilience? How could these insights be applied to enhance the resilience of other species? And most intriguingly, could humans themselves harness this knowledge to further augment their already remarkable abilities? The ethical dilemma. With their research attracting widespread attention, the team faced an unexpected challenge: ethical considerations. As news of their findings spread, various factions within the galactic community began to voice concerns about the potential misuse of this knowledge. The idea of enhancing resilience and adaptability raised questions about the implications for both humans and other species. Dr. Vicor, who had always been pragmatic, acknowledged the ethical complexities. We have uncovered profound insights into human biology and resilience, but we must tread carefully. The potential for misuse is significant, and we must ensure that our research benefits all species without causing harm. Dr. Kthul agreed, emphasizing the importance of ethical guidelines. We need to establish clear ethical standards for the application of this knowledge. Our goal should be to enhance the well-being of all species, not to create disparities or exploit vulnerabilities. The team convened a series of meetings with representatives from various species, including ethicists, policymakers, and scientists. Together, they drafted a comprehensive ethical framework that outlined the principles for responsible research and application of their findings. Key points of the framework included respect for autonomy. Any application of the research must respect the autonomy and consent of individuals and species. Enhancements or interventions should be voluntary and based on informed consent. Equity and fairness. The benefits of the research should be distributed equitably across species, ensuring that no group is disproportionately advantaged or disadvantaged. Non-maleficence. The research and its applications should avoid causing harm. Interventions must be carefully evaluated for potential risks and unintended consequences. Beneficence. The primary goal of the research should be to promote the well-being and flourishing of individuals and species. Enhancements should aim to improve quality of life and resilience. Transparency and accountability. Researchers and policymakers must be transparent about their goals, methods, and findings. There should be mechanisms for accountability and oversight to ensure ethical compliance. The framework was widely accepted, and the team continued their research with renewed commitment to ethical principles. They also initiated collaborations with other species to share knowledge and explore ways to enhance resilience in diverse contexts. One of the most promising collaborations was with the Zorani, a species known for their advanced biotechnology. Together, they developed a program to enhance neural plasticity and cognitive resilience in species with less adaptable brains. Early trials showed promising results, with participants demonstrating improved problem-solving skills and emotional regulation. Dr. Thull reflected on the significance of their work. Our research has the potential to transform lives across the galaxy. By enhancing resilience and adaptability, we can help individuals and species thrive in an ever-changing universe. As the team forged ahead, they also encountered unexpected benefits from their research. Human participants who had been part of the studies reported improved well-being and cognitive function, thanks to the insights and interventions developed by the team. One participant, Emma, a teacher from Earth, shared her experience. Being part of this research has been life-changing. The techniques I've learned for emotional regulation and cognitive flexibility have made me a better teacher and a more resilient person. The researchers realized that their work was not just about understanding human biology, but also about empowering individuals to reach their full potential. They developed educational programs and workshops to teach resilience-building techniques, benefiting countless individuals across the galaxy. The ultimate revelation. As their research progressed, the team uncovered a startling revelation that would redefine their understanding of human biology. While studying the genetic and neural data of humans, they discovered a unique molecular signature that hinted at an ancient intervention. Dr. Vikor analyzed the data with growing excitement. These molecular markers suggest that human evolution was influenced by an external force. It's as if someone or something intentionally enhanced their resilience and adaptability. Dr. Thull was initially skeptical, but couldn't ignore the evidence. If this is true, it could mean that humans were engineered or guided by an advanced civilization. The implications are staggering. The team delved deeper into the mystery, seeking clues in ancient human history and mythology. They found references to beings from the stars in various cultures, suggesting that humans had encountered advanced extraterrestrial civilizations in the distant past. Dr. Zephyr proposed a radical hypothesis. What if humans were part of an experiment to create a resilient and adaptable species? Perhaps an ancient civilization saw the potential in early humans and decided to enhance their abilities. To explore this possibility, the team sought the expertise of Dr. Nyla, an archaeologist specializing in ancient civilizations. Dr. Nyla's research had uncovered evidence of advanced technology in ancient human societies, further supporting the hypothesis of external intervention. Together, they uncovered a hidden chamber beneath the Great Pyramid of Giza, containing artifacts and inscriptions that hinted at contact with an advanced civilization. The inscriptions spoke of the architects, beings who had guided humanity's evolution and bestowed upon them the gift of resilience. Dr. Nyla was awestruck. These findings rewrite the history of humanity. It appears that humans were not merely shaped by natural evolution, but were also the recipients of advanced knowledge and genetic enhancements. The team published their groundbreaking discovery, which sent shockwaves through the scientific and cultural communities. The revelation of ancient intervention raised profound questions about the origins and purpose of human resilience. As they reflected on their journey, the researchers realized that their quest to understand human biology had led them to a deeper appreciation of the interconnectedness of life. They had uncovered not only the secrets of human resilience, but also the timeless bond between species, shaped by the mysteries of the universe. Dr. Kthal summed up their journey. "We set out to understand what the hell is wrong with human biology, only to discover that there is nothing wrong at all. Instead, we have found a species uniquely gifted with resilience and adaptability, shaped by both nature and ancient wisdom." With their newfound understanding, the team continued their research, driven by a shared vision of enhancing the resilience and well-being of all species. They knew that the journey of discovery was far from over, and the mysteries of the universe awaited those who dared to explore. And so, the quest to unravel the secrets of human biology became a beacon of hope and inspiration, guiding scientists, explorers, and dreamers across the galaxy toward a future where resilience and adaptability would light the way.